What up, family? Welcome back to OR Trades, man. I'm here to go over a trade recap with you guys. As I predicted in my previous video, I was expecting a nice bounce today, and we got just that. Let's get into the video to go over the trade recap.
Look. Told my dogs that we won't starve again. I show my face in places I'll never show again. I stacked my chips and did it with no one noticing. Dealing with some shit I told moms that I'll never fold again. And it's on God, I don't like how they move. I'm from a city where they sharing every move that they do.
All right, so as I mentioned yesterday, the fact that SPX closed above 3780 was signaling a potential bounce to end the year. Now, how did I enter this trade? Did I enter it solely based on that, or did I wait for confirmation? Now, let me show you. I took this trade charting SPY, okay, and I went to the 3-minute time frame. Let's get the SPY here. All right, so what I did here, let me show you exactly what we did. So I took my Fibonacci retracement tool. As you know, I preach the Fib tool. I love it. I believe in it. But this is what we did. We seen this run up here during pre-market. I took my Fib from the bottom of that up to this top here where we rejected. Now, what I was anticipating was the 380 break today. I felt like because of where we stalled out at last night or before the market closed yesterday, I was expecting a run. Now, I wanted to get the premiums at a discount, so I used the Fib tool to find a retracement level to go long. So I waited for the 61.8 retracement, which was back at this 379 level. We got under it, but we reclaimed it. There was buyers stepping in, and we went long here. Boom. Contracts went for 60%. That's where I closed my position. However, they're up now about 240% if you would have held this thing. I took my profit, secured the bag, and moved on. But it was a beautiful, beautiful trade, man. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm giving y'all free game each and every day. 100% free. There's no catch, man. I'm here to just help aspiring traders and do the best that I can to contribute. And, I want to see y'all succeed, man. And it's been a crazy year. We're going out with a bang. We got one more trading day to end the year, man. And then we're off to 2023 to have a killer year. So let's get it. I appreciate y'all. Peace.